Good morning, my YouTube friends. Maybe good morning where you are, maybe afternoon, depends on what time zone and what country you might be watching from. This is the house here that my guys have been working on. It's right down the road from the one that burned. We're going to step in here and we're going to see what kind of progress they have made. I notice they've got a bunch of sheetrock. So let's see what kind of progress they've made. They told me they were getting ready to sheetrock that kitchen. I know the electrician's been here and he's added a fan, and we're gonna have a light over the tub, a light over the vanity. I had him just redo everything, bring it up to code, what code's supposed to be. Had him to put a light in the closet for the bathroom, a light in the closet for this bedroom, and a light in this closet for the bedroom. Just trying to upgrade the house some. I've had the house for several years. When I first bought it, there was somebody ready for it, so we didn't do much to it. Come in and paint it. You got a smoke detector in the trash can? Yeah, there's one there too. It can come down. So the one guy that works for me, Joel, he used to work at a cabinet shop, and he may eventually go back to the cabinet shop. So I've had him to build shelving in here. I think he's going to put a clothes rod down in there for hanging clothes, and then just did shelves. He's going to make doors for them. They have built a wall here. I didn't even tell them to. I just told them, as long as you're upgrading, making things nicer, I'm good with it. So they built a wall here. There was a rickety old railing. I like this, Frank. Yeah. That's nice. That's good. So they've sheetrocked up here. They built a little closet here that will have hanging rods there. Of course, I've got new windows ordered. Several for downstairs. It'll be all new light fixtures. Lots of things will be upgraded. Man, I really like, that's neat that they came up with building that wall right there. And these steps, man, are straight up and straight down. They're going to build a closet in this corner. One of my things is I'm be 63 here in a couple months. So anytime I get a house open, I want to really bring it up to another level, because you know, the time's gonna come, I ain't gonna be able to do this. Of course, I'll have guys with me, but I'm just trying to bring them up to a different level. Now, this is where the house burned, and the last time I showed you, they were cleaning up on it. It's cleaned up now. I've got gravel ordered. I'm just gonna gravel that in for now. Wow, paint truck just went by. I sure don't want that on my truck. They're painting the lines. It was awful close to me. I'm in talks with a contractor about building me some stuff in another town on an 1.5 acre lot I've got. So this is going to sit for a while until I decide what I'm going to do in this other town, or I get all that done, and then we'll come here. So it's just going to be sitting empty, so I'm going to gravel all of it. Guys, I just wanted to give you a little bit of rental property update. I know there's some of you that watch this channel for the rental property. I will not probably be doing much tools because I've got 2 employees. They do all of that. I'm not around the tools that much, so I can't give you an honest review if I'm not using them. So that's going to end. So I know there were some of you that watch the channel for tools. This just may not be your channel anymore, because it's just gonna probably be maybe some of me mowing, a lot of the backhoe, and a little bit of what I showed you today is when we do some renovating. I'll also do some more videos on this house that we're renovating as it goes along. So I hope y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on another video.